Hey everyone, welcome to KwadWorx. I'm Nova FBV and stick around to see what we have in store today. So getting right into it, we have the Diatone GTB229 Cube. This is a very interesting drone to look at. The frame design is really different from what you're probably used to, and I mean this thing rockets. Honestly, I haven't seen something fly this fast in this small package in a long time. Let's check out some specs. Getting up close and personal, we can see that we have 4 motors and a propeller. What? Camera. Anyway, that concludes today's episode of KwadWorx. Please like and subscribe. No, it's not. Anyway, let's weigh her, give her a quick weigh, see how much she weighs. Women don't like that. She has 50 grams dry weight with a 79 gram all up weight with this 450 mile from GNB. We really enjoyed this one. Taking a look at what came inside the box, we got the set of HQ props, we've got an extra buckle, some extra hardware, a little buzzer thingy, some extra cables, stickers. Taking a closer look at this guy, we'll see that, you know, the stack, all the soldering is really brilliant. I really do, looking at the solder, it's just brilliant. But the greatest part are, what are those? Those are soft mounts on every board. Anyway, we had some video issues regarding the RXSR. We did some research, turned out to be the telemetry setting. Turning that off solved this. We had an antenna break on us. It wasn't really the best of antennas, but it held up for the first few flights. And other than that, there's really nothing bad about this. I mean, I love every part about it. Oh yeah, please, metal screws, not plastic. And also, on the ENCs, on the ESCs, put a current sensor. That's one thing that this is missing. It's missing a current sensor. Everyone I know flies current, not voltage. And I really enjoy flying current. It gives you a good way of knowing how far your batteries are drained. Anyway, stay tuned. Getting into some DVR, we took this for a few race laps and flew some freestyle at a nearby park. You'll see this thing has power. Honestly, it flies just like a 5-inch. This thing handles quite well in these intricate moves, but the tune isn't quite spot on. Prop wash and wind made it quite unstable, but very flyable. Almost like my life. We did find some of the screws working themselves loose during the flights and caused us to experience bad jello in the video feed, but sorting those out proved to work well. And if you're wondering about durability, I'll tell you now, this little quad holds up quite excellent. One thing to note is that after a crash, tiny sand particles end up in the motors very easily and can jam up a motor. But simply blowing on the motor while turning it solves this problem. We got stuck in a tree while being adventurous, and that meant we spent about 30 minutes trying to get it out. Now, would I recommend this to anyone? Well, you absolutely betcha. I love how quiet this thing is and how quickly it covers ground. Second to probably none. Please stay tuned for our 3-month recap to see how this thing holds up over time. Wow, that thing is brilliant. And that concludes today's episode of KwadWorx. Check in the description below for a link to the Diatone GTB229 Cube. And please, tell us in the comments, do you agree what we said? If not, tell us. If you agree, tell us. If you want to say hello, don't. That's weird. Anyway, see you next time.